मडगाव पालिकेचो व्यवहार म्हळ्यार पुरायपणान फटिंगपणां आसा। पालिका मडगांवकारांक तशेंच उच्च न्यायालयाची दिशाभूल करता। पालिकेन RDF शेड खंय आसा ती दाखोवची म्हूण सावियो कुतिन्हो हांचे पालिकेक आव्हान। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Today, we not only criticize, but we strongly condemn the Margao Municipal Council and its functioning, the manner in which the Margao Municipal Council is functioning. And we have to say this because we have just gone through the business that is likely to be transacted on at the council meeting scheduled for 5th of December. And there we see again the subject of extension for the waste collection contractors, agencies that are this. And time and again we have seen this council repeatedly stating that High Court, the Honorable High Court, is monitoring the waste management happening in Margao. We want to ask the council whether High Court is monitoring in such a way that has High Court given you directions to appoint an agency without following codal procedure, without following tender procedure? Has the council, has the Honorable High Court given you all the freedom to pay lakhs of rupees, to be precise 15 lakhs of rupees per month to an agency even without having a valid contract? Or has the High Court asked you to refrain from treatment of the wet waste that you are collecting from door to door and instead to give it for bioremediation by spending further crores of rupees? This is what we want to ask. And in fact, the manner in which the council is functioning, I feel the Honorable High Court should consider honoring this council, awarding this council, presenting an award to this council for spending nearly 1 crore every month and not deriving a single kilogram of compost. 1 crore on waste management, but cannot derive 1 kilogram of compost, and still they say that they are treating the waste that is collected. Whereas the council has recently bioremediated waste that was lying in the shed through the Waste Management Corporation, and there they have spent 3.30 crores to bioremediate 14,380 cubic meters of waste which was lying in the plant in the shed at Sansro. And the bill clearly states that 60% of this waste was of RDF material. 8,628 cubic meters of this 14,000 is RDF material, they are saying, that has been derived from that waste that was lying in the reserve. So where is the segregation gone? And what are these claims of 80% waste being segregated? We only have to conclude that Margao Municipal Council is a story of lies, lies and only lies. The Margao Municipal Council, in fact, we are sorry to say, is continuously misleading the public on one hand, and at the same time is also misleading the Honorable High Court, I should say. When we talk about waste management, does this council, does the Margao Municipal Council have a RDF facility for Margao? It doesn't have. But when it comes to the Honorable High Court, wrong submissions are being made. We have to say this. And in fact, the Margao Municipal Council is so much used to and habituated to misleading not only the public but even the courts of law by giving wrong submissions, that it has now become difficult for the honorable courts also to detect the lies of this council.